In this video, we will learn how to convert a PDF file into a Word document using Microsoft Word. Converting a PDF to an editable Word document is easier than you might think. Let's walk through the process. Step 1. Locate the PDF file. Start by finding the PDF file you want to convert. In this example, we're using a file located on the desktop. It contains both text and images, including a photo, making it slightly complex. Step 2. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word. You'll see the Start screen where you can open or create documents. Step 3. Drag and drop the PDF file. Simply drag the PDF file from your desktop and drop it into the Word Start screen. A dialog box will appear stating that Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK to continue. Step 4. Review and edit the converted file. Word will open the converted document. You may notice slight formatting differences compared to the original PDF. Images and text are now editable. You can click on text boxes to type and make changes. Images may need minor adjustments, such as cropping. For example, if a photo appears distorted, you can select the image. Go to the Picture Format tab. Choose Crop Greater Than Crop to Shape Greater Than Circle to match the original format. Step 5. Adjust layout if needed. Sometimes elements like text lines may be broken into separate boxes. You can delete unnecessary lines. Expand and adjust text boxes as needed. All elements, such as tables, text, and images, are now editable in the Word file. Alternative method. Use the File menu. You can also convert a PDF by opening it through the File menu. Go to File, Open, Browse. Navigate to your PDF file and select it. Word will automatically begin the conversion process. And that's it. Whether you drag and drop or open through the File menu, Word makes it easy to convert your PDFs into fully editable Word documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like. New to our channel? Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more tutorials to master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.